What's up guys, I'm Mechanic Man 92 here. So today I am making a new toolbox tour. So let's start with my on-the-go car toolbox. This is the Cobalt box that I have. Don't have too much in it. I have a flashlight, Harbor Freight 1/4" ratchet, zip ties, magnetic tray, a screwdriver. This is the what is it? I believe this is the twisting ones that has a striking cap on this. Also have a wheel lock. Here have the flat-end one. Some electrical tape, more zip ties, some gloves. In this drawer, I have my mini pliers. These ones are from Harbor Freight. In this drawer, I have some Pittsburgh stubby wrenches, standard and metric. I like this little toolbox, like that has the liner already in it. So, let's start over here. Have more magnetic trays, along with a razor blade and some attachments to a impact driver. Also have these for stereo. Here I have a clock that I got for my birthday from my parents. Still got to put that on the wall. Also have my diploma, which I'm very happy about that. That came in a couple weeks ago. Still have all these cards. Have a autographed picture of Richard Rollins that I got when I met him when he went to Foxwoods a couple months ago. Have a light, an OBD2 scanner, and some masking tape. In the top drawer here, have some screwdrivers. The rest of these are at work. Have some mini precision screwdrivers. Right here have bits, a lot of bits right there. In this drawer have my ratchets. I have why is it so fucking close? Can I zoom out at all? Nope. Alright. Have a snap-on one. This is probably my favorite ratchet that I have. It's the thumb wheel one. Have some Craftsman, gear wrench, and Cobalt. Some of my others are at work. In this drawer, my snap-on upholstery tools. This drawer I have some pliers and tin snips, vice grips. Not a whole lot there. This drawer have my extensions. Have a mount for my phone. Have a little pocket knife right there. In this drawer, a multi-tool, another flashlight, have a magnetic pickup tool, have some 3M black, will this focus? Black weather strip and gasket adhesive, safety glasses, inspection mirror, and a pen. I have some more screwdrivers in here. These ones are Craftsman. And I have these T-handle Torx from Pittsburgh Tools. This drawer, I have nothing. My wrench drawer has gone down considerably. Have my gear wrench stubby ratcheting wrenches. And I have my Craftsman universal wrenches. And I also have, let's see, doesn't even say. You can barely see it, but it's faded. Well, it says it's a Matco. It's a 9mm wrench. In this drawer, I have all my sockets. 1/4 inch, 3/8 over here, then 1/2 inch, then 1/2 inch impact. Those are all my bit sockets. These are reducers and shit. These are 1/4 inch metric universal sockets. Those are the 3/8 version. This right here is a complete 10mm set, 1/4 inch and 3/8. You have the 3/8 shallow impact. You have the 3/8 shallow, mid, deep, and universal, all in 10mm. And the same with 1/4 inch. Then my 10 and 11mm 1/4 inch snap-on sockets. They are 100mm in length. Here I have some of my air tools. I have my Ingersoll Rand cutoff wheel, my Matco DA, Ingersoll Rand air hammer, my DeVilbiss GTI spray gun, Craftsman impact wrench, 1/2 inch. I have my Ingersoll Rand angled die grinder, have a Matco light, and I have an eraser wheel. Down below, I have some dead blow hammers. I also have my Matco body hammers. Have a Harbor Freight slide hammer. Have a battery tester. Use that numerous times. Also have Torx sticks in here from Harbor Freight. Also have a regular hammer underneath, a rubber mallet, dead blow hammers, some dollies, and a plastic hammer in the bottom. Last drawer I have here is just a lot of different shit. I have a fender cover right here. I have a lot of the discs from my angled die grinder. I have a wet dry sponge pad. I have my air hammer bits. Plastic applicators. Have my Ingersoll Rand air gun grease. Have a mixing board. Test leads, cutoff wheels are underneath. Wire wheels over there. Drill bits from Harbor Freight. Yes, I know they're crap, but it's all I need at the house. I have a better set at work, which I show you guys. A battery terminal cleaner. Air regulator, bunch of air fittings, have a Craftsman Digitorque torque wrench. I have a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch, what's it called? Breaker bar. Also have a test light right there. Have a different pad from my DA. I have an airgun lube. I have different fluid tips for my GTI, and I also have these the DeVilbiss D-cup attachments. It's pretty much all I have here at my house right now for tools. Well, like I said in the live video yesterday, I will probably condense all of this to the red Harbor Freight service cart. So I'll probably be getting that within the next few months. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.